Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workshop apps like Docs, Gmail, Drive and more in 2025. So Gemini is a Google's new AI assistant that built into your everyday tools to help you write faster, search smarter and get more done. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about what is Gemini AI. Gemini AI is upgraded AI, formerly BERT, now deeply integrated into Google Workshops. It works directly inside Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive, and it helps you draft content, summarize documents, analyze data, and many more. Also, it is available with Workspace Labs and Google One AI Premium. So let's now see it in actions. So first of all, we are going to talk about how you can integrate Gemini AI with your apps. So here you can see we already created an account. Like when you will visit in Gemini platform, you will get this kind of an interface where they will ask you to create an account in here, or you can, if you click on about Gemini, you will get further more to know about this Gemini AI, where it turns words into videos. Then you can ask complex questions, then create images in seconds, talk it about Gemini Live, and also write in less time. Then also we have features like power up your learning, get up help with tasks in multiple apps at once. Here is the options we are going to work on: get help with tasks in multiple apps at once. So I'm going to click on learn more. Once I click over here, then you will get the options to further know about more. So I'm going to do it practically over here. So here you just need to click on sign in. If you have a Gmail account, you will redirect to the account and you will get your account. So here you can see we have some version over that place. So I'm going to choose this 2.5 flash. So I'm going to integrate my apps over here. That's why I'm going to click on setting version in the gear icon. Then here you can see we have this option called apps. Here I'm going to click over here, then bring it all together with Gemini and your favorite apps. So go to Tones, to Tabs, to On Conversation. Gemini can now access info from news sources, starting with Maps to Google Docs. So here you just need to be enable it. It will be disabled. You just need to be enable it. Let's click on connect. Once you click over here, then it will be connect easily. So you can see the Google Workspace, find, summarize and get quick info from your content in Gmail, Docs, Drives and more. Let's click on of this learn more option. Here you can see retrieve personal emails in your Gmail account. Retrieve email based on description, titles and sender. Like using Gmail, Gemini can do it this kind of a thing, and Gemini cannot like create or draft or to delete, send and manage emails. So let's go and check this out one. So here I will come back to this place and I will click on new chat and I will ask Gemini to give me a docs. Give well organized docs under Shopify. Let's enter hit button and it will take a while. Like you need to be open a Google Docs. Then let's open a Google Docs. Here you can see this is our Google Docs. So I'm going to open it. Once I open it, then let's click on blank document, and here we have couple options like template, meeting notes, email and more options. So you can check this one by one. So here you can take help from Gemini AI. So this one is Gemini AI. So I'm going to connect the Google Gemini over here. Just select it and click on continue and start editing. So now I'm going to here to help me write and click on, and here you will get your docs over here. What are you writing? They are asking for. So as you can see, this is our eventual result. I found Google Sheet named Mahim long keyword that contains the following information related to Shopify. So they are giving us the eventual result. So here you can see your workspace becomes so much easy. So here I will click over here and try it out. This is also a Gemini product, so it is not free, it is a premium version, so we are not allowed to use it. So if you want to use Gemini on your Gmail, then the process is really easy. Just come back to here and click on gear button and click on apps again, and here just click on learn more. Here you can see we can read mail from that place, so let's ask one of them. Just click on this new chat and ask, give me my last mail info, and hit enter, and here you will get your information over that place. Like you can change the tone, formal, casual, etc., or ask for a rewrite. The last email you received was on May 17, 2025 at the Steam. The subject was new sign into Steam. Can you give me whole email body, please? And you can see there we will get the result over here. So here this is the result. We got this email, that is, here is the content of email with subject new sign into Steam, the Steam from new sign in. As you can see, this will be the similar. Let's check this out, our mail, and let's see is it really true or not. So the Steam, so here you can see this is the name of sign into Steam. So I'm going to search it Steam, and here you can see this is the Steam. I did not open it, and yes, it is similar like this one, and you can see it. Yeah, this is totally the same. So Gemini will help you on this platform. Then using Gemini AI in Google Drive, you can do it. Like Gemini helps you, like go to Google Drive. Let's go to Google Drive and let's search it, and this is the Google Drive. In a search bar, type natural language, like show me the last quarter sales report. Here in the search drive, let's search for show me last quarter sales report, and let's search. No matching result yet. So Gemini understands context, not just file name. It also summarizes docs and PDFs without opening them. So let's go and try to summarize a PDF, upload files, and let's download. Okay, summarize this one, this PDF, and it has been uploading over here. When it will be done, then we will hit the enter button and it will give us the summary. So as you can see, it has been uploaded. So I'm going to click over here, summarize this PDF. It will take a while. As you can see, they are giving us a message that is just a second, and then you will get the result over here. So let's talk further about this one. That is I'm going to give you some tips. That is, use clear prompts like summarize this text or write in a friendly tone, or you can edit and refine AI suggestion at any time. Also, Gemini works best when you provide a specific goal, like for example 2-paragraph blog into about remote work. Like think of it like an AI teammate, not a replacement. So let's talk about another thing. As you can see, our summaries has been come over here, and it is really true that this is our summary. Let's go over here and let's check this out, the summaries PDF. If you see the result, you will see that this, yes, the summary is totally the real one. So I hope this will help you. And sometimes you have a question on it, that is it really safe to use Gemini? Yes, Google use enterprise grade privacy control. Your data is not used to train public models. Everything stays private within your workspace environment. Still, avoid sharing sensitive info in forms just like any other tool. So you need to be always understand this one. So in the end, I will just going to tell that thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below which Gemini AI feature are you most excited to try, and stay tuned. I will be covering more Gemini tutorials, including how to integrate it with third-party tools, and how to use Gemini with Google Calendar and Tasks. See you in the next video.